Life is a beautiful and mysterious journey filled with countless twists and turns. But have you ever wondered, in the grand scheme of things, what is the purpose of it all? What is the reason that drives us forward each day, that gives our lives meaning and direction? Hello everyone, welcome back to Life Talks by AJ. Today we have a fascinating topic that will help you discover the purpose of your life. In today's video, we will unravel the secrets of the ancient Japanese concept called the Ikigai using a Venn diagram. To begin, let's take a closer look at the Ikigai concept. Ikigai is a Japanese term that translates to reason for being or purpose in life. It represents the intersection of four essential elements of life. These elements are what you love to do, what you are good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. When we find harmony among all four, we unlock our true purpose in life. Okay, let's start with the first circle, what you love to do. Take a moment to reflect on the activities and passions that truly bring you joy and fulfillment. It could be anything from art, music, sports, or spending time with loved ones. Write down your interests within this circle. Now, let's move to the second circle. What are you good at? Consider your unique skills, talents, and strengths. What are you naturally inclined towards? Are you a great communicator, problem solver, or perhaps a talented artist? Write down your strengths within this circle. Next, we explore the third circle, what the world needs. Think about the issues, causes, or problems that resonate with you. What positive impact would you like to make on the world? It could be anything from helping others, environmental sustainability, or promoting education. Write down the areas where you believe the world needs your contribution. Finally, we come to the fourth circle, what you can be paid for. This circle represents the practical aspect of sustaining yourself while pursuing your purpose. Consider the skills or expertise for which people are willing to pay. It could be a profession, a business idea, or a service you can offer. Write down potential opportunities within this circle. Now that we have our four circles filled in, let's examine the overlapping areas within the Venn diagram. The ultimate goal is to find the sweet spot where all four circles overlap, representing your Ikigai. When you find the sweet spot where your circles overlap, you discover hints of your Ikigai, the purpose of your life. This is where true fulfillment and meaning reside. Remember, this Venn diagram serves as a visual tool to guide you on your journey of discovering your purpose. It's important to note that Ikigai is a journey and it may take time and self-reflection to find the perfect balance. Embrace the process and be open to exploration. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it insightful and empowering. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to this channel. Thank you for watching. Until we see next time, happy living guys.